Well, good morning, parents and kids. How are you today? Okay, I hope you are in a good condition. Well, as usual, I'm going to send you our reading tutorial for this week. And this week, we got 6 words that you need to spell the sound first along with the words. Okay, so here I will show you how do you spell the sounds and the words. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1, mule. Number 2, wool, roll. Number 3, mute, mute. Number 4, cute, cute. Number 5, lure. Okay, for number 6 and until number 15, they are all the sentences, okay? Number 6, can you save Dave's cake? Number 7, do you have the same date? Number 8, please let me bite the lime. Number 9, I hide beside the pipe. Number 10, I vote him in my note. Number 11, we poke your sore. Number 12, a tube on a cube. Number 13, tune in a big June. Number 14, there's party in June. Number 15, put fire on the fuse. Dan berikut adalah untuk membaca bahasa Indonesia. Di sini kita juga punya 6 kata yang kamu harus eja dalam bahasa Indonesia. Oke? Kita mulai ya. K-E-K, C-A-P, cap, kecap. Nomor 2, S-E-S, D-A-P, dap, sedap. Nomor 3, G-E-G, L-A-P, lap, gelap. Nomor 4, K-A-P, kap, T-E-N, ten, kapten. Nomor 5, A-P, up, R-I-L, ril, April. Nomor 6, O-P, op, S-I-C, menjadi opsi. Untuk nomor 7 sampai nomor 15 adalah berupa kalimat. Nomor 7, makanan Makanan ini rasanya gurih. Nomor 8, kumis tikus itu panjang. Nomor 9, jangan keluar di malam hari. Nomor 10, foto itu terlihat palsu. Nomor 11, aku turun ke jalan. Nomor 12, unta tinggal di gurun. Nomor 13, jamur putih sukar dicari. 14, ada banyak warna kursi. Nomor 15, semua heboh karena roboh. Okay, my students, so you can watch my reading tutorial and you can follow it when you find some difficulties to read all the words and the sentences both in English and Indonesia, okay? So don't forget to send your reading video to our WhatsApp group so I can check your reading ability. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.